This is your Sunny Trainer, Sydney, and today I have a great 5-minute workout for you guys focused on upper body using the row and ride machine. So before we get started, make sure that you add on your resistance. I'm gonna start with just 1 resistance band, but if you're more advanced, feel free to try out 2 or 3. When you're ready, let's hop on our machine and we will get started. Okay, we are gonna start with a quick warm up here. Just warming up the entire body. We wanna make sure that our arms are warm as well as our legs. So let's just do some squats, pulling through with those arms. Now when we're doing those squats, we're gonna focus on pulling those arms all the way through and really squeezing those shoulder blades in the back. We're gonna be doing a lot of rows today during our workout. And when we do those rows, I really want you guys to focus on engaging that back, feeling those shoulder blades squeeze in the back. Good job, nice upright posture. Nice and easy. Take it slow, we're just warming up here. One more. All right, awesome. We're gonna head straight into our workout. We're gonna be doing 2 minutes on our machine, and then we will head off of our machine for some exercises using our row and ride, but we'll be standing off to the side. All right, let's get started. We're gonna start with 30 seconds of overhand grip row. So grab the handlebars just like this, and we're gonna get started. Ready, set, let's go. 30 seconds on the clock. Full range of motion on these rows, pulling those handlebars all the way back to your chest. Good. Remember what I said before? We're working on squeezing those muscles in the back, nice upright posture, engaging those shoulders. Good. We're gonna switch and add a little pulse in 3, 2, 1, pulse. Ready? Row, 1, 2, 3. Row, 1, 2, 3. So same motion as before, just adding in a little pulse at the back. Good. Now we're starting to feel that burn. We're gonna switch in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna change up that grip, underhand grip row. Ready? Let's go. 30 seconds. Focused a little more on those biceps now. Just like before, we're working on getting that full range of motion, fully engaging those muscles in our arms and back. Core should be tight. Let's add a pulse. 3 little pulses at the back and bring it all the way forward. Good. Pulse, 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 and row. Pulse, 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 and row. Great work. Almost there. In 3, 2, 1. All right, you guys, great job. Let's bring it on down. We're gonna head off of our row and ride. And we're gonna do some exercises down on our mat here. So I'm gonna head over to this side just so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna place 1 foot on the base of our row and ride, and we're gonna grab the back of that seat with our right hand, or whichever side you're on. Closest to the seat, that's the one that's gonna be grabbing it, all right? We're gonna do 30 seconds of bent over rows on each side. So my leg here is slightly bent, my core is tight, I have a nice upright posture. I'm gonna grab that seat and pull right on back. All right, so single arm rows, pulling that elbow all the way through and back. Good. Good job. Feeling that in our triceps and the back. Good job. In 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and put that seat on down. We're gonna switch over to this other side here. Great job, you guys. Working with that left arm now. Same thing, pulling it on back. Good job, we've got 30 seconds. Keep pulling. You've got this. In 3, 2, 1, and put it on down. All right, we're gonna head down to our mat. This exercise looks interesting, but let me tell you, it works. We're gonna be doing an overhead press. So what I'm gonna have you do, sit right behind your row and ride. Nice upright posture, core is nice and tight. You're gonna lay those legs over the rear stabilizers of your machine. Hold on to that seat with your hands, and we're going to press that seat up and overhead. All right, ready? We have 30 seconds. Let's do it. Nice and easy, keep breathing. Your posture is so important here. We wanna protect that back. So keep your posture nice and upright, and core should be so tight. Almost there, keep pushing you guys, you can do this. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. Whew. All right, roll it on up. Amazing job today, you guys. You did such an awesome job with this arm workout. If you have time, feel free to do this 2 to 3 times through for a full workout. Otherwise, thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you guys next time.